How to make origami heart with a bow. Begin with a two-tone origami paper. 1. Fold it in half diagonally. Repeat this step once more. 2. Fold the paper in half again and repeat. 3. Make sure to use the creases created in the previous step. 4. Fold the triangle in half. 5. Turn the paper over, open the flaps, and fold the paper in again. 6. Fold the top parts of the paper towards the center, and repeat this step on the bottom. 7. Flip the paper over and fold it in thirds. 8. Push the top parts of the paper open, and fold the inner top corners down. 9. Flip and fold the bottom parts of the paper in. 10. Open the flaps outward and fluff the bow parts. 11. Cut the bottom edge of the flaps to open.